Welcome, dear Science Wiz viewers. We are here with exciting science experiments to refresh you and hope you are going to enjoy it. Concepts are also explained along with experiments. Please watch, like, and share. Those who have not subscribed, please subscribe and support. Let's check out the experiment related to conduction. Things required: steel spoon, a plastic spoon, wooden rod, butter, and hot water. Dip the 3 spoons in the hot water. Apply butter on the top. Wait for a few minutes. What happens here? As metal is a good conductor, that means the steel spoon, the heat in the hand of the spoon moved on to the top of the spoon and it results in melting of butter. So the experiment is about conduction. That means transfer of heat from a hotter body to a cooler object. Next experiment is about optical illusion. An optical illusion occurs when the way we see something is different from what the object really is. Observe it. So it occurs when there is an error in how the brain interprets what the eyes are seeing. Next experiment is about air pressure. Here, the air pushing up from underneath the cardboard is strong enough to stop the weight of the water from pushing the card down. It's because of the air pressure, the card will stay on the glass and water will not spill out. Next is about Newton's disc. So it's a disc with segments in rainbow colors. So what happens when the disc is rotated? The colors fade to white. In this way, Isaac Newton demonstrated that white light is a combination of 7 different colors found in a rainbow. The property is based on the principle of dispersion of light. Here is another exciting experiment about dancing rains. The carbonated soft drinks like soda, Sprite, etc., they releases carbon dioxide bubbles. So when these bubbles stick to the rough surface of the raisin, what happened? The raisin is lifted because of the in-raisin buoyancy. Next experiment is about surface tension. Surface tension, it's an effect when the surface of the liquid is strong. It's because of the molecules in the liquid being attracted to each other. Here, what happens when the surface tension is lowered, the water wants to spread out. As the water flattens on the dish, the paper that is floating on the top of the water is carried to the outer edge of the plate as if by magic.